Namaskar. Let us see the difference between three microcontrollers. They are most popular. The older one is PIC16F 877A and the newer ones are PIC16F 18877 and still more new is PIC18F 47Q10. So as you can see, these three microcontrollers I have taken for differences because all the three of them are pin to pin compatible, and this is the oldest and these two are a little bit newer one. The only difference that you can see is this is PIC 16, this is also PIC 16. So this is newer one compared to this one, and PIC 18 series is also available. Okay. So let us try to see one by one. As you can see, the manufacturer part numbers I have taken, that is PIC 16F 18877 -I/P. Okay. So same series I have taken -I/P. Okay. Now coming to the fact that description. So it is also 8-bit microcontroller, it is also 8-bit and this also 8-bit. All the three are 8 bits. You can see this is having 56 KB of flash and this is having 4 KB of RAM, 256 KB EEPROM. Okay. Then this is having more, like flash, 128 KB and 3.6 KB RAM and 256 bytes of EEPROM. Okay. And it has other functionalities as well like PWM, CCP, halt, WDT, WWDT, scan, and other UART. All these things are there. But right now it is written here. Almost everything is available in this as well. Okay, so don't worry about it. This guy is having little bit lower capabilities like the flash is just 14 KB where it is 56 KB. Okay. Then RAM is just 368 KB and 30, only 33 IOs are there, whereas here IOs will be 36. Okay. Now coming to the next part, we have ADC resolutions. ADC resolution, all the three are same, 10 bit, 10 bit and 10 bit. All of them are from same company, Microchip technology. The core you can see is PIC16. This is also P16, but this is P18. Okay, this is little bit higher core. There is DAC available like digital to analog converter, DAC output. So DAC output 5 bit it is. This is also having 5 bit. This doesn't have a DAC. Okay. So the older one PIC16F 877A does not have DAC. Okay. Next, the data bus width is 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. So all the three of them are same 8-bit microcontroller. Now data RAM size, just now I told you in the description there was 4 KB, so 4 KB RAM was there. Here also 3.53 KB it is. Okay, 3.6 KB it is written here in like round figure, but exactly 3.53 KB. And here RAM is just 368 byte, very less. So the older one is having less, but it is more popular because it has been running for past 20 years and these are newly introduced around some 5-10 years ago. Okay. Now data RAM type is SRAM, SRAM, SRAM. So this data RAM size is like 4 KB and this much, and their type is SRAM type. Next, same I have taken data ROM is 256 bytes and this is 1 KB, that is 1024 bytes and 256 KB. So you can see ROM is both same in first one and last one, whereas in 18 PIC it is PIC 18 it is more. And data ROM type all are EEPROM type. Okay. Next, you can see interface type. So now interface type you can compare now. So it has UART I2C, it has also UART I2C, and it has also UART I2C, and SPI is there, SPI is there. Here serial is there. Here also SPI is there. Other functionalities of PIC16F 18877 is RS232, RS485, and LIN capability, whereas these are not having those capabilities. Okay. Now the maximum clock frequency that it can like work up on is 32 megahertz, and this can work up to 64 megahertz, very high, and this can work only up to 20 megahertz. Got it? The maximum operating temperature, the temperature range which I had taken actually was dash I slash P. So I actually works for up to 85 degrees centigrade maximum, from minus 40 degrees centigrade to 85 degrees centigrade. If you want to increase the range, temperature range, it can go up to minus 40 degrees centigrade to 125 degrees centigrade. Okay, and that you have to choose dash E slash P. Okay, instead of dash I slash P, you have to utilize dash E slash P. Okay, that's the part number extension will come. Next, all the microcontroller are having mounting type through hole, through hole, through hole. So all the three of them are same through hole components. You can see the number of ADC channels are, almost all the IOs are having a corresponding ADC channels. Okay, so 35 ADC channel here, 35 ADC channel here, but this has only 8 ADC channels. Only 8 ADC you will be able to measure directly if you want. Okay, the number of IOs are 36 IOs, 36 IOs and 33 IOs. So you can see out of 40 pins, just 4 pins are left out, which were VDD and VSS. So VDD 2 pins are there and VSS also 2 pins. So total 4 pins are removed out of that, and rest all 36 pins are acting as IOs in first 2. But here 3 more pins are acting as some other task, and only 33 IOs are available. The package size, you can see all of them are PDIP 40 package, so they are DIP package. I'll show you the figure in the next page. Packaging and all those things you can understand, like whether it is in tube or it is in tray, so all those things are fine. Now coming to the fact, what is this product called? Actually these are called MCUs, that is microcontrollers. Okay, and the product type is 8-bit microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller, 8-bit microcontroller. So all the three of them are 8 bits microcontroller. Program memory size, again they have written 56 KB, 128 KB and 14 KB. Okay, and program memory type is flash type. Okay, qualification, you can see that first one, PIC16F 18877 is ACQ 100. Okay, and these are not qualified for this. Okay, so if you want to utilize for your automotive application, this is most suitable. Okay, coming to the series, so series is it has two series. One is PIC16F 18877, just now I told you here, and one is little lower power, which will be PIC16LF. Okay, 18877. So if it is L, then it is low power, and if it is without L, then it is higher power. So this will work for 3.3 volt supplies, and this will work 3.3 as well as 5 volt both. Okay, so most suitable it is 5 volt, and this is 3.3 volt. Similarly, this is having same series like PIC18F 47Q10, and this is also having low power series as well as high power series. Got it? Standard package quantity, if you want to buy, then you will get in like a number of 10 pieces at a time. And then we have maximum supply voltage as 5.5 volt, just now I mentioned it, and minimum supply voltage 2.3 volt, whereas this PIC18F is 5.5 and 1.8, so it is much lower than this. And this cannot work for 3.3 volt application, it will be working for 4 volt and 5.5 volt, right? Now the trade name is, all are called as PIC microcontrollers. They are having watchdog timers as well, first two, but last one is not there. And development kit is available, this one also and this one also. The number is written here because the board, like development board is mounted with this particular microcontroller, but the same development board can be used for the development purpose of this particular microcontroller. Okay, like you have to buy the same board and remove that particular microcontroller, put this one, they are pin to pin compatible. Now the number of timers and counters are 4 timers here also, 4 timers here also, and here it is 3 timers. And processor series is PIC16, PIC18F and PIC16. So this is how you have understood the differences between these three microcontrollers, and they are all the three pin to pin compatible. So you can see the exact figures. PIC16F 18877 and PIC18F 47Q10 and PIC PIC16F 877A. Okay. So hope you have found out this one useful. And if you do have any questions regarding the differences between these three microcontroller and which one to be preferred for what kind of applications, okay, you can always reach out to me, and you can put down your questions in the comment box. If you do like my videos and you want to like learn more, and if you do have some particular requirement, you can put those comments in the comment box, and I shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.